Now that you've inspected your forklift and have determined its safe to use, let's turn our attention towards lifting and moving your load from one place to another. To pick up a load, square up on the center of the load and approach it straight on with the forks in the traveling position. Stop when the tips of the fork are about a foot away from the load. Level the forks and slowly drive forward until the load is resting against the backrest. Lift the load high enough to clear whatever may be under it. Look over both shoulders to make sure you're clear and then back out about a foot. Carefully tilt the mast back to stabilize the load. To put a load down, drive safely up to the location, square up and stop about a foot away. Level the fork and then drive the rest of the way in. Now the load can be lowered to the floor. To make sure the load will not be hooked when backing out, tilt the fork slightly forward. Be careful not to over-tilt, as this could cause the load to become unstable. Look over both shoulders and then back straight out until the forks have cleared the pallet. To stack one load on top of another, approach the load slowly and squarely. Stop about a foot away from the loading area and lift the mast high enough to clear the top of the stack. Slowly move forward until the load is square over the top. Level the fork and lower the mast until the load is no longer supported by the forks. Look over both shoulders and slowly back straight out. Some quick safety tips. Never lift a load while moving. Always wait until you're in the loading area and have come to a complete stop before raising the mast. Be sure the top load sits squarely on the stack. If the load is slightly off, the whole stack could tip over. Remember, just because it hasn't tipped over yet doesn't mean it won't. If it isn't square, fix it. Follow these safe driving tips. Always travel with a load tilted slightly back for added stability. Travel with a load at the proper height. A stable clearance height is 4 to 6 inches at the tips and 2 inches at the heels to clear most uneven surfaces. Never speed or use excessive maneuvering. If you're unable to see over the load, drive in reverse. Never try to look around a load. Turning a forklift will require a little more concentration than driving a car because it steers from the rear and handles very differently from a car or other roadway vehicles. The back end of a forklift swings wide and can injure coworkers or damage products and equipment. Think of the drive wheels as a pivot point. When turning, the back of the forklift makes a circle around the front. Never make a turn at normal traveling speed. Always slow down to maintain balance. When turning into an aisle, stay wide in order for the load to clear the side and for the forklift to square up with its destination. When backing out of an aisle, allow enough room for forks to clear the sides before starting a turn. When leaving a forklift unattended for any reason, always lower the mast completely. Tilt the fork slightly forward, turn off the engine, and set the brake. A powered industrial truck is unattended when the operator is 25 feet or more away from the vehicle, which remains in his view, or whenever the operator leaves the vehicle and it's not in his view.